Okay, now I will show you how to use this spark detector. There are two main functions. A model is to detect the 940 nanometer invisible night vision, which cannot be seen by your eyes. So we will press the A button for around 2 seconds to turn it up. Then we can see there is an indicator slowly blink. That means this model has been turned on. When we towards to the sunshine, which also includes 940 nanometer light, so it will be solid. See? When we towards to the window, then it will become solid. That means in this aspect, there are invisible 940 nanometer lights, which is usable for invisible light vision. When we towards back, it will blink again. That's the A model. So there is one tips for you to detect the invisible light vision. Firstly, you need to close the curtain of the room when you detect the 940 nanometer night vision LEDs. Okay, long press again to stop. Then we come to the B model. Long press 2 seconds to turn on the B model. Then we will see the red LEDs is on. This is to test the pinholeness, to check it out. One press again, it will shine. And this is to adjust the frequency. Yeah, we can test by a practice camera lens. Here is a pinhole lens. We can see through the viewfinder. When we see through, we will find there is a red dot when you see the camera. Long press again to turn it off. That's all. Thank you.